Here's how you can become a full-time content creator in 2024, coming from somebody who actually does it for a living. Hi, my name is Caitlin. I'm a full-time content creator over on TikTok, where I just hit 800,000 followers. You can go ahead and check me out. I'm Caitlin_P123. I do a lot of POVs and skits on that account. I really love making videos, love making all the content, and I thought, you know what, maybe I'll start a YouTube, do some behind the scenes of what it's really like to be a content creator. So if you would like to know more about what you can do to become a successful TikToker, go ahead and stick around and I'll give you some tips and tricks. Number one, pick a niche. So essentially your niche is the type of videos that you plan on posting. Like I said, mine are POVs, skits, comedy. You have all kinds of different things to choose from based on what you personally like. So what type of videos are you going to be posting? What is your niche? That is like the number one thing that you need to focus on before even making your first video, because you have to have your audience know what type of category your videos are going to fall into. So you have lifestyle, POVs, motherhood, cars, makeup and beauty is a huge one right now. But either way, whatever you decide to post about and make your niche is something you kind of need to stick to and something you can evolve with over time. But that way your audience knows, hey, this is Caitlin, she does POVs, and that's what I'm going to watch. And that's what I'm going to get out of her videos every time I watch her. So now you need to get your For You page centered around your niche. This process is very, very simple, especially if you start from scratch with your TikTok account. So you're just gonna get on your profile. In the very top search bar, let's say we wanna do makeup. That's what our niche is going to be. We're going to type in makeup routine. And then we are going to click on and watch and like and comment on all these videos. I mean, this can take hours of you just sitting, liking, scrolling, interacting with and following these accounts that do things that you want to do on your profile. Now, once you go to your For You page, you'll notice that it's just full of makeup, you're liking whatever. That's perfect, because when you go to submit your first video, your video will get pushed out to people that like makeup. And that way, TikTok knows where your video should go. And it has a better likelihood of getting likes and comments because it's going to people that like that type of stuff, and it's not getting sent to somebody who only likes to watch gardening videos or only likes to watch car videos, because those people are just gonna swipe. Like, I don't care about makeup, swipe. Here is tip number 2. Guys, we have to have good lighting, good quality videos. Come on, it's 2024. You would not believe the amount of videos I see where the content is amazing, it is great, but there's not good lighting and there's not good quality. It's like all fuzzy, really dark video. And it's like, ooh, even though this content is good, I don't really like aesthetically want to look at this. So scroll. I use 2 different light sources, a ring light and like a portable light. I'll link those down below. I just get them off Amazon, and I just really recommend 2 different light sources, and using a good iPhone is what I use. I don't know about Android, but a lot of the cameras just don't really do good, especially transferring it to TikTok. I just find it easier to record straight from the TikTok app. Number 3, block your friends. And I know this is gonna be super controversial, but you know, I have a really good explanation for this. So when you're first starting your account, TikTok looks really, really hard at the first 200 views that you get. And usually those first 200 views go out to your followers. Now, if somebody you know in real life is following you, they are going to be one of the first people to see it. And if they're not liking, interacting, commenting on your video, then it's going to hurt your video and not get pushed out to other people that may really like your video. I hate to say it, the people that you know in real life are either going to be your biggest supporters or your biggest haters, and that is okay. But I just recommend from the start just blocking anyone that you think won't support you and your videos, because it'll just make it so much better for your account if the first 200 people that are viewing your videos are people that are going to interact with your videos. Tip number 4, stir up some controversy. I'm not saying do anything that goes against your moral values. What I'm saying is just do little things here and there that'll make people question what you're doing, what's going on, and leave comments and watch your videos longer. Quick example is when I do my POVs and skits, I'll put makeup on completely wrong. So this is lip gloss and I'll put it on as blush, and it'll always get people questioning, what is she doing? And it's just little things like that people are like, it can just really be anything. Like if you're cooking, maybe put a little extra seasoning in something to get people being like, oh, that's way too much seasoning. Or maybe you're somebody who likes to read, but your bookmark is very interesting and it's something that you normally wouldn't use as a bookmark. I mean, just little things that get people commenting and watching your video extra, and that'll be really, really helpful with engagement. We're on tip 5? Okay. Use good hashtags, okay? Hashtags that go with the video. Don't say hashtag FYP just to get on the For You page. If you're doing makeup, do hashtag makeup, hashtag elf products, hashtag makeup review, hashtag makeup, and see what other people are hashtagging in videos that you like and videos that are similar to what you're going to be posting. Hashtags will help TikTok know where to send your video and who to send it to. Without hashtags, TikTok just has to go off of the audio and what it sees in your video, but sometimes having the hashtags helps send it to the right people. And if the right people are seeing your videos, then the right people are going to like and comment your videos, and that is how you have good engagement. Monetization. This is a big one, and I can touch a lot more into this in a different video because I can go real in depth, and I just want to keep this real short and simple. TikTok pays, once you have like 10,000 followers and so many viewers, TikTok will pay you for minute-long videos or greater. But if it's under a minute, you don't get paid. So if this is something that you're really wanting out of your TikTok account, I would recommend doing videos that you can either expand to a minute long or just start with videos that are over a minute long, because TikTok really seems to be prioritizing those right now. So don't start out with little dances to 7-second songs. That's kind of not really going to pay anymore in the long run, even though they are super fun videos. And then for monetizing, you also have brand deals, and there's TikTok Shop, going live, so many different options to monetize. But a lot of them, you have to get your followers first and you have to get your interaction first. So really focus on building a community of followers that like you and your content. My last piece of advice is don't be boring. People on TikTok are so used to scrolling. The first few seconds of your video are so important. So don't be boring. Get straight to the point. There's an editing tool right in TikTok where you can cut out anything that you think is boring. The slightest bit of boring, people will just scroll. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. It was my first YouTube, so let me know how I did. Let me know if there's anything else you guys would like me to talk about in another video. I really plan to post multiple times a week. So if there's anything that you guys would like me to do, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way I can keep making more videos for you guys. Thanks!